Hey guys, so we have a Friday of math. So you guys know Fridays are a little bit different and nothing changes even though we're doing virtual learning. So today, once you tell us how you're feeling, I'm kind of in the middle because just started raining and I left my bike outside, so just got all wet. But today we have a good math lesson. So once you get into your Pear Deck, you're going to see a slide that starts like this. This is a little different than what we've seen this week. So think about it this way. Read it out loud. Blank plus 35 equals 78. So when you're thinking about how you're going to solve that, you got to think this, I'm at 35, how many more do I need to get to 78? So if I were you, I would put that bad boy on a number line. Start at 35 over here and jump your way up to 78 to get yourself that answer. Make sure you put your answer right there, okay? The next one is writing the time. This one's tricky again, okay? So really look at the danger zone, really look at your hour, hand, and minute time, and hopefully we don't have any mistakes. Going through, drawing a shape that has 5 sides. You should be rocking that one. Remember, whenever we give high fives, we call those sometimes high pence. So think about what you might name a shape with 5 sides. Okay. Quick addition and subtraction skills. Hopefully you guys are getting on extra math and practicing some of those math facts because those are going to be really important to know later on. This one's going to be good. So skip counting by 3s. So just like we've been doing, you have to go in and add all of these numbers. Okay. So remember, it goes 3, you'll add the 6, the 9, the 12, the 15, and so on and so on. Then we get to our math message. So taking a look at this, it says the following the basketball team score by quarter. Okay, so quarter one, they scored 10 points, then 5 points, 6 points, and in the fourth quarter, they scored 4 points. So the question is, how many total points did the team score? I want you to think about how would you figure out the answer to that question. So if I was doing it, I would go through, and I know that if I'm doing the total points, I'm going to be adding, so I might find a strategy to add 10 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4. And look at this. You get this. If you notice, here's an easy combo to 10. 6 and 4 is 10. So now you have 10 plus 5. Make sure you put your answer out here somewhere and make sure that answer is clear. And again, make sure that we can read it. And if you haven't figured out what we're going to be learning about, we are going to be learning and using strategies for solving problems with 3 or more add-ins. Okay, so remember, add-ins are the numbers we're adding up to find the sum. So this problem only has 2 add-ins. We are going to be solving problems with 3 or more add-ins. So hopefully you guys remember this. It's where we are, the addition strategy of partial sums. Okay, so when you take a number, you break it up and expand it. So you're showing your 10s and your 1s. Sorry, this camera's in the way. Don't know how to get it out of there. So then you add up your 50, you add up your 10s. 50 plus 20 is 70. 4 plus 8 is 12. And then 70 plus 12 would get you 82. Okay, so we're going to use this strategy when we are adding numbers with multiple addends. Okay, so here we have 16 plus 36 plus 12 plus 14. Well, we're going to practice showing our work by expanding it and using partial sums. So here I did the work for you. We expanded it, the 16 to 10 plus 6, the 36 to 30 plus 6, the 12 into 10 plus 2, and then the 14 into 10 plus 4. So then all you have to do is just add up your 1s column and then add up your 10s column. So I know 6 and 6 is 12. Oh, that one got away from me. 12. I don't know why that got so large. I'll just go ahead and erase it quick. Okay, I'm going to go with my text box. Okay, so this gets me to 12, and then I know 12 plus 2 is going to get me to 14, and then 14 plus 4 is going to get me to 18. So I know that that part is 18. And then I'm going to come over here and add up my 10 column. So that's 10 plus 30 is 40, 50, 60. 60, whoops, 60 plus 18, and I know that's going to get me to 78. So I'm going to put my answer in here of 78. Okay. All right, so that one broke it down for you pretty well. I want you guys to go through and practice showing your work here so that then you get into your work of your own. So let's think about how we're going to go through and, is that the same problem? Nope. Okay, so I'm going to continue using my text box, but I know the first thing I need to do is put it into expanded form. So 16 broken up into expanded form is 10 plus 6. Okay. Whoop. Looks like we don't want to enter there. Maybe I can make my box a little bigger. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully you guys saw how I did that. Just made my box a little bigger. Okay. I'm going to start a new one. So 58 split out is 50 plus 8. Okay. It's not liking that enter button. So no worries. Just go back in and add a new column. Do your best to get your 10s and your 1s all lined up. 32 broken up is 30 plus 2. And then we have 14, which is 10 plus 4. Oops, that's 14 plus 4. Ooh, look at that. I can use my arrows to get over there and fix that. Okay, so then you guys know the next step is to go through. I'm going to draw my equal box, my equal sign. So your next step is to go through and add up your ones column and then add up your tens column. So I'm looking for easy number combinations. Boom, 8 and 2 is 10. Here's another one. 6 and 4 is 10. So that means this part, my ones add up to 20. And then when you add up your tens, well, 10 plus 50, that's 60. Plus 30 is 90. Then plus 10 more, that's 100. Zeros are hard on a computer. Got it. So 100 plus 20, my answer is going to be 120. Okay, I'm going to double check this adding up. So 10, 60, yeah, 100. 30 and 10 is 40. Okay, so make sure you guys are showing your work either with the drawing tool or with the text tool. Don't use the highlighter in this sense because look at what happens to your numbers. It just gets really big and wide and it just makes it hard to see. So please, please, please don't do that. We have a lot of these to check. It's excuse me, important to make sure that your work stays nice. So next one, before we get going and I show you what to do, I want you to stop and think. What is your job? What's the first thing you need to do? If you said put it in expanded form, you're right. Hopefully you said that. So first step we need to do, we're going to go 20 plus 9. Excuse me. Next one. Ooh, that one's already broken up. That's a pretty easy number. 20 plus 0. Okay. Next number is the 11. So that would be 10 plus 1. And then finally, my 45. So that's 40 plus 5. Okay. Next step, come over here, get your drawing tool. Ooh, or you could use this line tool and make it nice and straight. That one. That was awesome. Okay. So now all you have to do is just add up your 10s. So boom, I'm seeing an easy combo to 10. 9 plus 1 plus 5 more is 15. Okay. So my 1s column is all added up. Now I need to add up my 10s column. That's a little rough. There we go. Ooh, 20 plus 20 is 40. Ooh, here's 40 plus 10. 50. 50 plus 40 is, hopefully you said 90. So now I just have 90. Oops. Not sure why that didn't go. 90 plus 15, which would give me a grand total. We're going to put it in orange of 105. Got some music playing, so I like to work to music. You guys working to music? Hopefully you are, because it helps me concentrate. Okay, this next one, I'm going to let you guys do all on your own. I'm not going to show you. So I want to see your work. If you just put your answer and don't show your work, it's going to be bad news bears. So please, please, please show your work. Then we have a multiple addends word problem. Okay. So if you go through, I'll read it for you, but I'm going to have you guys answer this one on your own as well. So Jordan has 11 marbles. On Monday, he found 6 more marbles. And on Tuesday, his friend gave him 12 more. How many marbles does Jordan have total? So you're going to have to find a way or use your strategies to add up those total marbles. So we have 11 plus 6 plus 12 equals, okay? Get your number sentences there, show your work over here, and I believe we are done after that. It's Fridays, guys. Rock this one. Get in and have fun playing some math games. Work on your extra math. Make sure you get your IXL done. You guys are going to rock it.